Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can change your Fortnite resolution slash screen sizes. So to do this you need to simply head over to this icon right here and click on this icon again, and you need to click on settings. After you're in here, you need to go over to display tab, and in here you need to search for window mode. So in here, firstly you can choose full screen, windowed full screen, or windowed. In full screen, after you have done that, you can come over to resolution and you can choose from three types of resolution. If you need more of those resolution, you can go over to windowed mode, and here you can see more resolution for your game. So yeah, you can choose any one of them. I'll do 1280 by 720 right now. You need to click on apply, and after that keep changes, and there you go. That's how you can change your Fortnite resolution slash screen sizes. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please comment down below what video you guys want us to cover next, and we will do so. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.